Hi, welcome friends. I am Amishtan. Today in this video we are going to see an interesting thing, that is a number card trick. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see, right? Let's go. Friends, for the card trick, we need to write the number between 1 to 21 in a paper like this. I have written it. Now I will call my younger brother Nathan and I will ask him to think one number in his mind between 1 to 21 and I will guess what number he thought in his mind. Let's see that. Nathan, please come.
Hi Anna.
Hi Nathan.
Hi friends.
Now Nathan should think a number between 1 to 21 in his mind and I will spread this number and he should see it very carefully. When he see in which row the number is coming, when I ask only he should say, Nathan, you should not send it in between, okay?
Done.
Okay. Now let's spread it. We need to spread in 3 columns like this. Now I have spread it. Now we will ask Netu, in which row the number has been come? Friends, now we will spread one another time. Netu, see it, listen it carefully. Netu, in which row the number you thought has been come? Friends, in this time only I am going to find in what number he thought in his mind. Let's see. Netu, in which row the number has been come? Nathan, this is the number you thought, right?
Yes. Super Anna.
This is the number he thought in his mind. That is 16. So our number card trick is done. Thank you Nathan for coming and helping me. Bye Nathan.
Bye Anna.
Friends, now I will reveal the trick. Now I will think one number and I will say it to you and I will do one another time and I will say what I did. Now I will, what number I can think? I will think number 21. As I said, first we need to spread it into 3 rows. Now we will spread it. We need to listen it very carefully. Now, in this row, only 21 is coming. So that we need to take the next row. This is 3rd row. So that the next row is 2nd row. So that we need to take this row at first and the number 21 is here. Now, the number which you thought in mind, we need to take this row as 2nd. And this row at 3rd. Now we will do it 2nd time. Now we need to listen it very carefully. Now I have spread it. Now 21 has came in this row. So that we need to take this row. Take this row at first, this row at 2nd and this row at last. Now in this time only I am going to find out the number. Let's see. Now we will spread it another time. That's 3rd time we are going to find it. Now I have spread it. The number 21 has came in this row. So that take these two rows and kept it aside. And now here is the row. Here is the number row which I thought. Now turn the papers and now we need to check the fourth that the number will come. Turn it upside and 1 and keep it 1, 2, 3 and then 4. See 21. I got the number as 21. So the number came at the fourth time 21. So this is the trick behind this card trick. Friends, we need to spread the numbers card very correctly and we should not confuse so that our number we thought will be wrong. So that we need to take very care. Friends, when we spread it the third time, the number row with the number has come when you turn upside down and when we check the fourth number, the answer will come all the time. So that you can use this card trick to play with your friends, family members. Hope you like this trick and also the video. Give your valuable likes and comments to put more interesting maths card tricks like this, and don't forget to share to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.